Right guys, back out on another vid today, another dig. I'm out a little bit late today. Tony's already up there. Early bird catches the worm, that sort of attitude he's had today. I've been a bit late getting up, so because I'm a lazy shizzle. But yeah, we're back out on a dig. I haven't got much battery on my phone, so I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna film whatever I can until my battery runs out, really. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you back when we get up there. Back up at 50's tip, just joined Tony. My first bottle, milk bottle. A lovely looking one. Howard's Dairies Limited, farm fresh eggs. With a bit of luck, I'll give it 5-10 minutes. Give that a little wipe. If it all comes off, it all comes off. They tend to do. Just wipe straight off. As soon as oxygen hits them. So if it doesn't, then it's a keeper. Right, Tony's just come across this. I think it's pretty cool. A little lad in garden, obviously helping Daddy. Right, what I've decided to do with this, I've decided to take this home because I'm a little bit of an artist, and I'm thinking of redrawing that on paper, sketching it. So it's obviously bringing it back, that image, just to sort of preserve it, if you know what I mean. And I think that's what I'm going to start doing. If I see out like that, I'm going to redraw it, just basically copy it. Right, look what Tony's found. Everybody knows what one of these is. Babycham. Unfortunately it's broke, which is a shame. Right, next bottle. Wimsel Keithley, definitely 1950s. Lid still on it. Right, we all know what these are in the bottle digging community. Milton. Found a couple of these in my time. It's an early screw top, but a nice little hecticum bottle. Well, I've just come across this big bottle, big beverage bottle. Unfortunately, it's a plain Jane, so they say. But it's a shame about that. I mean, you could do something with it, maybe. Take a label off another bottle and put it on. Just for decoration, like. But. Well, intact, just no lid. Little teapot. It's a nice little find. It says made in England. Right, Tony's just found one of these. I found one of these other month, a good few months back. I did take it home because labelled actually stays on this, so it is a keeper. I wouldn't mind taking that myself if Tony don't want it. Right, I got a bit excited then because I thought this is unusual. I've took a little bit of a look at it, and to me that is a glass golf club. It's got a screw cap there where obviously the long part would have been there, but that looks to me like a bottle golf club, bottom of a golf club, bit glass. Now is that a keeper or what? Right, straight away I've just come across another one. This one's got lid on it, so I'm quite happy with that one. So yeah, got two now. Two golf club bottles. I'm going to do a little bit of research on them and see what's going on with them like. Right, I just thought I'd film this because it's showing a pretty decent label. White Horse bottle. Obviously that label won't last too long. Tony's just found this and it had a plastic bag around it, so maybe, oh, he's found a bottle as well. Maybe it could be intact.
Giant sauce.
It's a sauce bottle. With a bit of luck this could be intact, and with a bit of more luck maybe a lid might be around somewhere, you never know. So come on, dig away, come on, ready up! Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go.
Chinese ball?
An Oriental one, yeah. I wonder if that's all. Go, go, go. Dig like your life depended on it. You might have just chipped that, Tony. On corner there, yep.
There.
Oh well, here we go. Heave!
That's all.
Right, it's intact.
Just need the lid.
It's just got a little chip on it.
At the bottom. But
Lid might be in here somewhere.
could be. Or it could be.
I found a little soldier. Little toy soldier. With looks of it. Going on the hat. It looks to be one of the Queen's Guards, if you ask me. Your Majesty.
Hello to you, Mum.
Right, I've just been shoveling there. Bottle's just falling out. It looks like an early med bottle. Yeah, it is an early one, that. So it shows you there's still some early bottles are still in these 1950s, 40s, 50s tips. Right guys, Tony's just found a nice little penny inkwell, little stoneware, gushed a little find. Come across, looks to be a milk of mag, it's well stuck in there. Come on, out you come, there we go, yep. Unfortunately, a lot of 1950s ones are just plain old. Tony just come across a bottle. He's going to dig it out live. It's got something on it. Can I see gold there? Oh yeah, it's a med bottle. Or is it a bleach or something?
Keithley.
Keithley.
Greenwood and Co.
Greenwood and Co.
CL Greenwood and Co. Limited. Keithley.
Nice. Nice little ribbed one, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's about a bit.
Right guys, I've come across a little plastic spoon. With looks of it, it's a wise old monk on top of it. I think it's an old monk, looks of it. Now I've come across this cup with a nice looking design on it. Obviously cracked, no handle, but it looks like something like Clarice Cliff or something like that. It's not like, but it's that sort of style, I think. Right, this has just fallen out. Pretty dangerous, like. Sharp edge on it, like. But stopper's still in it. Ben Shaw's. Right guys, me and Tony are going to head off now. It's been a reasonably good day. Short but sweet, but I came out a bit late, so I'm going to get my Zen back, get cleaned up and that, and enjoy the rest of the day. So I'm going to say peace out, and I'll see you at the next dig.